Hello everyone, and welcome back to the English Learning Podcast. Today's episode is special because we're going to learn 50 daily English sentences that native speakers use in everyday life. These sentences will help you speak English more confidently and naturally. Let's get started. Morning sentences. Good morning. How did you sleep? I just woke up. I'm feeling great today. Let's have breakfast. What are your plans for today? I'm getting ready for work. Have a nice day. Don't forget your keys. See you later. At home. Can you help me? Please close the door. Turn on the lights. Turn off the TV. I'm cleaning my room. Dinner is ready. What's for dinner? I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. Let's watch a movie. Daily conversations. How are you? I'm doing well, thank you. Nice to meet you. What do you do? Where are you from? That's interesting. I agree with you. I don't think so. Could you repeat that? I understand. Work and study. I'm busy right now. I'll finish it today. Let's start the meeting. I need more time. Can you explain this? That's a great idea. I'll send you an email. Let's work together. I have a question. Thank you for your help. Shopping and outside. How much does this cost? It's too expensive. Do you accept credit cards? I'm just looking. Where is the nearest market? Can you show me the way? I'd like to buy this. Keep the change. Have a great day. See you again soon. Practice section. Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. Good morning. How are you? Nice to meet you. Can you help me? How much does this cost? See you again soon. Excellent. The more you repeat these sentences, the more natural your English will become. Outro. Congratulations. You have just learned 50 useful English sentences that you can use every day. Try to use at least 5 of these sentences today in your conversations. Practice daily, stay consistent. And your English will improve faster than you think. Thank you for listening to today's English Learning Podcast. Don't forget to subscribe for more daily English lessons. See you in the next episode. Goodbye and keep learning English.